How to buy Chipotle bulk gift cards online. Buying Chipotle bulk gift cards online is perfect for employee rewards, events, or large gifts. So if we do not order them correctly, we could face delays or ordering errors. So let's do it the correct way. We may open up a browser for that and we can go to Chipotle gift card section directly. So you need to head over and go to the gift card or directly head over and type in chipotle.com/gift card and you will be finding the page directly available where you can shop. So you may scroll down from the main page, and once you scroll down, you can find e-gift card, mail gift card, and the very last option called bulk gift cards, which we are looking for. So tap on it and we may head over to the next step. So on the next step, what we need to do is we need to select the quantity. So for that, you need to be registered. If you're not registered, you can just go ahead and do so. And once you're signed in, what you need to do next is you need to just go over and choose the number of gift cards that you want to order. You can choose the quantity and the amount per card typically ranges from $5 to $500. Many bulk orders have minimum order requirements, usually 10 plus cards. So you can just go over and do so. You can choose either the e-gift cards or the physical card, any of the available, and you can select those. And for physical card, you usually need to enter up your shipping address, contact name, and email, etc. So you can just go over and enter up the necessary details. For e-gift cards, you just need to upload the recipients if emails if needed. So for that, once you've done so, selected the, for example, e-gift card, you can select up the amount and even the quantity. Everything once it is done, you can just go over and personalize it as well. You can include a message for the recipients, useful for corporate gifting or events, and you can check the number of cards, amounts, and recipient info as I said, and make sure all the details are correct to avoid the delay. Once it is done, you can tap on the send now option and confirm out the payment. You may just go over and do so. For large orders. You can even contact the Chipotle corporate support for assistance, and that's it. And you can track shipment using a confirmation email for physical cards. But usually, that's how we successfully buy Chipotle gift cards on bulk online. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.